Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are back in my cozy little Christmas corner because why not? Theo is also here, so he might just run into the video every so often. So we can just happily embrace that distraction. But anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a full unboxing and review of the brand Beckett Simonon. Simonon? I watched like 5 different review videos and everyone said it differently. So if you haven't heard of Beckett Simonon, they are this incredible handcrafted shoe brand where they make these beautiful, beautiful leather shoes. All of them are handmade. Honestly, through this process, getting all of, like the email notifications as my shoes were being prepared was really awesome and really cool. So just on a side note for that, I thought that was really fun. But yeah, they have men's and women's shoes. If you haven't checked them out, you will definitely want to check them out after this video. They also would make a great Christmas present for anybody on your list, so just thinking about that as we are in the holiday season right now. But before we get into the full unboxing and review, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. Also a big thank you for the brand for sending me these pair of loafers to share with you guys. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing and review. All right, so just right off the bat, the box to unbox is absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at this. So stinking pretty. I just want to put it under my tree right now. It is so stunning. So you can see it has the brand name on the front in this like metallic-y gold. The box is this beautiful like hunter green color. It is like really nice quality, a nice box. So I'll go ahead and open it up, a true unboxing. So on the inside of here, you can say handcrafted products designed to last. And then it also has a bit of their mission to produce these long-lasting, ethically made products that bring joy for years and may even be passed down to future generations. So just a big push on them being so well crafted, the highest of quality, and something that can last a lifetime or multiple lifetimes, multiple generations. So yeah, just an incredibly crafted pair of shoes. It has their @ for their Instagram as well as a little hashtag. So yeah, very nice. Also something cool was that they do make to order. So I will say, caveat there, it might take a little bit of time for you to get your order because they are, like I said, like made to order, but we'll see in the unboxing and review how high the quality is and how worth it is to wait for that well-crafted shoe. All right, so on the inside, I love a good dust bag. We got 2 little dust bags for the shoes, and yeah, if you know me, you've seen some of my review videos, I love a good dust bag. I probably use them more than like the average person. I feel like most people just see that in the packaging and just like throw it away as part of the package. But honestly, I think they are so handy. I use them all the time if I'm traveling, even if I'm not traveling far, going to go stay the night at like a friend's house or something. Like, I will pack my shoes in their little dust baggies. I'll even use it for other shoes if they don't come with dust baggies. So yeah, just a little tangent there on how much I love a good dust bag for shoes, for handbags, for really anything. But I'll go ahead. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys these little shoes. Oh, actually, you know what? I lied. First, I have a little envelope in here. Very nice. You can see the brand. I don't know if actually you can see that. It's kind of like embossed on the letter. Let's go and open this up. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. Okay, this is a literal handwritten note that came with this. The person who assembled and put together this shoe. I hope my artistry will make you smile. Thank you! Exclamation point. Oh my gosh. That is so sweet. Okay, was literally not expecting that at all. Wow, love that. And then it gives some information on the fit and returns. So just helpful tips and tricks in here. Yeah, wow, really nice. Okay. Love that. Feels very personalized, very personal, so feels good. Again, a really great gift to give somebody. All right, and now Just kidding, there's more. So they actually do come with some extra inserts in them, which is helpful because I actually ordered a size 6, which was their smallest size. Typically I'm a size 5, maybe even smaller. So I think these inserts are gonna be really helpful for me to get like a better fit on the shoe. So yeah, I'm actually really going to use these. So glad they came with some so I didn't have to purchase some on my own. Love that. All right, and now going into the actual shoes to unbox and unbag. So here, oh, I'm so excited to show you guys. They were so stunning on the website, so I'm just excited to show them in person. Oh, here they are, and this is just such a stunning classic style loafer. Like, this is so beautiful. Again, so like well crafted. Yeah, absolutely stunning. So you can see it has all the leather on the outside. It has this gold buckle detail on the top of the loafer, which is so beautiful and just very simple and elegant. And then taking out some of the tissue paper, we have the inside, which has the sole in it, which is, oh my gosh, this is like really squishy. Yeah, that's very comfortable, very soft and squishy on the inside. And then it does have a little bit of a kind of felt or like softer material. I don't know if you can see that difference around the heel of the shoe, which I think is really helpful, especially when you have new shoes, kind of that high rub area that you can typically get blisters in or be uncomfortable. It's nice that it kind of preemptively has a softer material there, so you don't have to worry about that, which is really nice. Because I've definitely gotten some of those new shoes where it's just totally unbearable where the heel rubs against it and like have to wear band-aids and then replace them, and it's just like this whole thing. So you don't have to deal with that with these shoes. I'll go ahead and open up the second one just so we can see them side by side. So here is the second loafer. I'll go ahead and take this out. And what are these ones actually called? Okay, so these are the Astrid loafers, and they do come in a pretty wide range of colors. I was between getting the black, brown, or they actually did also come in white, which I think is such a fun chic look, but I decided to go with just the classic black for my first pair because again, they're just super classic. I know I can get so much use out of them. Okay, Theo has officially joined the video. Anyways, as I was saying, I have been going into office a lot more, so I know these are definitely going to be a huge staple of my workwear wardrobe. Also, I feel like that whole quiet luxury trend is definitely still trending for this fall and winter, so this style I think really hits that trend and is a nice way to incorporate it into your wardrobe. But not to say I think these are like super trendy shoes. I honestly feel like these are really great basics and classics, and it's something that is going to have a lot of longevity in your wardrobe. You can wear them and style them so many different ways. You can wear them with skirts, with jeans, with work pants, and just getting so much use out of just one pair of shoes. And I think the biggest thing for me is just truly the quality on these shoes. They are so nice. Like, the leather is super soft. Even the top portion, I know sometimes like this part can be a little uncomfortable when you're wearing it if it's too tight, but it's honestly so soft on the foot, and the material on the inside is so smooth. I feel like you really don't have to worry about the uncomfortable factor. Even when they are brand new, they're already feel and fit so well. And again, I did get these ones in a size 6, and like I said, I am typically more of a size 5, but they did not have 5 as an option on the website, so I did just go with their smallest size available. I think the inserts really help a lot, so that's nice. But yeah, I feel like these are such a beautiful style, such incredible craftsmanship, and a great classic item to add to your wardrobe. Yeah, so that is my full unboxing and review of the brand Beckett Simonon. Beckett Simonon. Apologies if I'm saying that wrong, but okay. here's the box, here's the shoes, so you can get a good idea of where to find them. I'll be sure to put a link to their Instagram as well as their website if you want to check these out. Like I said, they do have both men's and women's shoes. They have these gorgeous, gorgeous boot styles. They also have different loafer styles. Also, again, come in a lot of different colors. Like I said earlier, I just went with the classic black just so I can have just a nice quality staple in my wardrobe. But if you do want more of those statement pieces, they do have those fun different colors. And like I was saying earlier, I think these would make an incredible gift this season for really anyone on your list, also yourself. Like I said, they do have some men's and women's styles. But yeah, if you enjoyed this style video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment down below if you guys are going into office more, see yourself wearing office wear clothes. I feel like that style is just so classic. So even if I guess you're not going into office, this is just such a beautiful, classy shoe. Let me know in the comments down below too if you enjoy these unboxing and review videos. I feel like these are such a classy, beautiful pair of shoes. I was really excited to share them with you guys, so hopefully you enjoy these style videos too. And yeah, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.